Hello, hello. Hi, Rishi. How are you?
Hey, I'm fine. I'm very good.
Normally, you are in the office because you're working close by here in Amsterdam. But where are you now?
I'm in New Delhi actually. I'm together with the newly acquired team out of India. So it's super exciting here.
Wow, great. So, how is Bangalore? Does it feel already as your second home?
No, actually, I'm not in Bangalore. I'm in New Delhi.
Oh,
I'm
New
going
Delhi.
to Bangalore tonight. So we've been already visiting a lot of exciting customers in property and in security space. So it was really exciting here. It's quite warm, but it's super vibrant. Yeah.
So it's not your second home or yet, but it will be fast because you did an amazing acquisition with Eagle Eye Networks. You acquired Uncanny Vision, Unican Vision. What can you tell about
Uncanny
them?
Vision. We acquired Uncanny Vision, which is one of the first players in the world that was focusing on video surveillance AI. So that's the really leading player in the AI space for video surveillance solutions. It's quite an interesting company, quite a large group of developers, and an exciting founder team that's joining Eagle Eye Networks.
Cool. So why is it so excitement to work with these guys?
Well, I mean, Eagle Eye Networks is world's largest cloud-based video surveillance company in the B2B space, and we're now bringing the AI side to our cloud platform. So, if you talk about, for instance, smart buildings, we'll be really making the building smart, right? We fixed the plumbing, right? We're bringing video surveillance streams to our platform, but now we can add all kinds of smart things to it with the AI capabilities of Uncanny.
So how do you see the analytics and artificial intelligence improving the world in the next coming years?
So one of the things that Uncanny is extremely well in is one of the applications. So to make it concrete for Proptech, they're very big in smart parking. We're also now at the smart parking partner, actually. With their AI-based LPR technology, license plate recognition technology, they can add so much more value. For instance, for property owners and buildings, right? So it's not anymore just on OCR technology, but really on artificial intelligence. The accuracy is amazing. They can directly check if a parking spot is free or not free. The occupancy management in the building, they can really with video, with the video they can do much more. They can get the data to our open platform via our API. We can send it to all kinds of building management solutions or tenant experience solutions. So we're actually super excited about the fact that the team is joining us. So
cool.
Instead of just having a camera solution, it's really improving our security camera capabilities.
So any more product innovations coming your way?
So it's not only LPR, obviously, what the guys do, and what we are actually already doing. I mean, we were already delivering a cybersecurity AI cloud video surveillance offering, but we're going to be doing much more. And so effectively, also one of the solutions that we are working on to make it even better is autonomous security. So think about perimeter protection. And that we can even pick up an incident or, for instance, an intrusion before somebody even breaks in. You don't want somebody to break into your building, right? So those are the smart things, like from remote monitoring. That's something that you really want. Right? So that's going to be an interesting thing. A couple of the other things that we're looking at is is how can Uncanny's technology and AI help us further think about retail analytics, right? So that we're really bringing even more accurate and interesting data towards retailers in their retail space. So think about people counting, heat mapping, but in a much smarter and faster and accurate way, which can be delivered through our cloud-based platform via our API to the user and to other platforms. So we're looking forward to that.
So cool. So you see all kind of innovations, of course, from the US and Canada, where you're also based with Eagle Eye and with Brivo. But now new innovations from the India side. When is this all coming to Europe?
Well, so the good news is actually we've even expanded our footprint. So Uncanny is now the Eagle Eye India office. So all of a sudden, we have quite a big group of people. We've got an office in Bangalore. So we are now, we were already globally operating, but we're even operating into lots of different countries now, and we have an office in India, so we can support our Indian customers. Yeah. But the technology is going to be in the next near future. So near future is, let's say, 3 to 6 months available on our platforms for our customers. So and then it will be obviously globally available.
Cool.
Right? So,
yeah, very cool. So globally, the world is also reopening. You are now from Amsterdam. You went to India. How does it feel for you guys to start traveling again?
So 2 days ago, I was in Qatar, meeting customers for a few days, and then I moved towards India. So it's getting better. Masks are getting less. The fact that here in India, people are diligent about COVID, but it doesn't feel different than the Netherlands or the US. I think people on the doing the right thing, and the security measures are good. So we can start traveling now. I think it's great to see people, having ideas, sharing it on the whiteboard, creating new innovative stuff. So I'm enjoying the fact that now we can meet each other.
Yeah, and the shows are also reopening. So you had MIPIM in Cannes a couple of weeks ago. It's early September. And how was that for you?
Yeah, we met each other at MIPIM, obviously. It was super exciting to talk to lots of people. I think there's much more interest for tech at the moment in the real estate space. We really were excited about the fact that there were so many investors, property owners, asset management companies, and asset managers that were focusing on understanding much more about the tech and new cutting edge technologies. So it was for us, it was a really good event.
Yeah, cool.
To meet with the customers and partners. So.
Yeah, I'm really happy that those shows are happening again and that we can meet and see each other again and create some business, because that's what it's all about. So which new kind of clients did you add to the long list of clients that are working already together with you guys?
Obviously, we want to be quite discreet, but I think we did quite a good job with lots of large partners. So globally, I think we have lots of Fortune 500 companies. So also Uncanny Vision is bringing quite a big customer base across the globe. So they were already operating in the US and here in India, and also in some other countries. So we're excited about that. I can't say, but a couple of the larger property owners in the world have joined us.
Cool. And are they all looking into different kind of smart building technologies or solutions? What is their main question that you see right now?
So, I mean, the operations of a building is starting to rely more and more on data. But I would call it I've been thinking about it the last couple of days. So sense, analyze, and act, right? So the sensing with the super sensor, the camera, obviously is happening. So we're now analyzing it. We're processing it. The algorithm is getting better by the day. The Uncanny team is extremely good in training the algorithm and then also acting. So we are giving messagings to the end user, or we're pushing it over our API towards the different systems. So, for instance, think about opening up a barrier without even pushing a button. So in the COVID time, I think that's very fair, right?
Yeah.
The visitor management solution, making it in a better way. The whole experience of tenants and people who are walking around in the building. It's going to get so much better when you sense, analyze, and act. So
I think that's what it's all about.
Exactly.
We will get there for sure. Well, Rishi, when you enjoy your time there in India and come back safe, and I hope to see you soon back in Amsterdam.
Great. Thanks, Wouter, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your time. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.